to another video. Today we just have a quick video. Packout in stock at Home Depot. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Yes, if you want this Packout, go ahead and get it because this is a new item. This is brand new. 134. It's available at Home Depot. They're gonna sell out. I'm pretty sure they're gonna sell out. On this one, says that they have 41 available in my area. I would definitely jump on it. Don't think about it because they are going to sell out. I did hear big shout out to Stan the Man. Big shout out to Stan the Man. He's the one that mentioned this. I don't know how Home Depot did it, but it's available. So let's go over it real quick. Like I said, don't wait for this video to end. Just jump on it. Make sure you guys just jump on this deal if you guys want to get it, because they will sell out. So you got the locking security bar right there. It's a nice little bar there so they don't go all over the place, the drawers. Internal organization dividers. You got modular connectivity, Packout components, steel bar bearings, slides. 50-pound capacity, metal reinforcement corners, impact resistant body. 22.1 width, 14.3 height, 16.2 in depth. So it's pretty much just like a regular Packout. Yeah, it looks really nice. So definitely check it out. Alright, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, and we'll see you guys on the next one.